Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. Pretty much every single XRP investor out there wants this lawsuit to end as soon as possible because we want things to get back to normal, especially for XRP, and we want to see the price increases because of things related to XRP, not just related to this lawsuit, because whether you like it or not, this lawsuit is going to end in either a win or loss, and that is extremely important for XRP to win for a good future for the price of XRP as well. And in the last couple of days, things have been on a bit of a roller coaster because only a day or two ago we got some really good information that there is a very high chance that we might actually get a settlement with the SEC very soon. But today we are getting like a major turn for this ongoing lawsuit because the SEC has put forward a new lawyer who actually specializes in trials. So it seems that we might be going all the way through. And in today's video, we will be looking at this and some other news related to Ripple and XRP. But before going on to those details, let's take a quick and short-term XRP price prediction. The world of crypto was in the green today, and this was thanks to Bitcoin, which led this green candlestick today, which did about really good. It actually crossed that $41,000 barrier, very important for Bitcoin, and especially talking about XRP. XRP is doing pretty good. It's an increase of more than 2% compared to yesterday, an increase of 22% compared to 1 week ago. So things are looking very good for XRP. Now, since this is we are at the end of the month, so if we compare this entire month, XRP price started somewhere around 0.66, and at the time it is around $0.74, which represents an increase of about 15-16% this year. So I mean, if you had bought it during around the July 20 mark, you would have gotten some really good returns. But still, overall, the month of July has been pretty good for XRP. Obviously not as good as what we would have liked, but still pretty good. Now, if you're talking about the short-term XRP price prediction, the 20-day exponential moving average of XRP stands at $0.64, and the price of XRP is above this. So this is definitely a bullish sign. And also, the price of XRP needs to be above $0.75, and it seems that it is going to be. If that happens, we will see a double bottom pattern, which can lead the price of XRP to go as high as $1.07, which would be absolutely remarkable. It would mean that XRP will again cross that $1 mark this year. I mean, I'm pretty sure for those of you who bought above this $1 mark, this might not seem that great, but seeing that the price will increase, at least according to analysts out there, it's definitely a good sign. Now, if you're talking about the daily chart here, the daily chart, the summary stands at a strong buy, moving average at a buy, and technical indicators in a strong buy. RSI is also at a buy position. And for the weekly position, the summary, it is at a neutral point, and RSI, it is also at a neutral point. And for the monthly chart, the summary, it is at a buy. Both moving average and technical indicators are at a buy, and the RSI, it is at a neutral point. So things are looking pretty good for XRP. And again, do keep in mind that a large portion of the momentum for XRP is really dependent on how Bitcoin price moves. Obviously, we did see in the last week the price of XRP did increase quite a lot. In one day, it increased by around 17%, and that was thanks to the news we got from Japan, and that was related to this new corridor between Japan and Philippines related to the ODL platform, which actually uses XRP. So things are looking pretty interesting. But again, let's shift back to this major turn for XRP for this Ripple lawsuit. Focusing on this Ripple lawsuit, today we have had a major turn in this ongoing lawsuit. Now, for you guys to understand this, what has happened that since the mid of July, what we were getting was that there's a very high chance of a settlement because Ripple was presenting the smoking gun, its fair defense notice, as well as these statements from two commissioners talking about how there is a lack of clarity in the digital trading space. And Ripple attorneys were saying to the judge, please take this into consideration. And especially in the last week or so, we were getting news that there is a very high chance that the William Hinman deposition has not gone forward. That kind of shows that they are in the midst of talking about a settlement. But today we have a major turn, and that is attorney Pascal Guerra has filed a notice of appearance on behalf of the Security and Exchange Commission. This might not seem a big deal, but if you look at the history of the attorney, he actually specializes in trials. So the entire Ripple and XRP community now have shifted to this, the talk that the settlement might not actually go forward, that there is a unlikely chance that attorneys, especially in the community of Ripple and XRP, they're saying that now it seems that settlement might not go through and we will be actually going all the way through to the trial. And to give you guys a perspective on what kind of timeline this might represent, it is very hard to say at the moment, but it seems that we might be going all the way through to the end of the year or early 2022 when this lawsuit will end. So things are looking pretty murky for Ripple and XRP. Now obviously this does not mean that there is no settlement talk. There is no news about that at all. We need to just wait from what the official Ripple attorneys they actually say. But right now, from what we are getting from this, it seems that we might be going all the way through to a trial. Now moving on to some good news related to Ripple and XRP. Today we had an article on investing.com that kind of predicts an explosive growth for Ripple. As they put it, there is room for explosive growth for Ripple even in the face of its long winding legal drama with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Ripple has spread its tentacles to Southeast Asia, seeking to take advantage of the growing market for cryptocurrencies that abound in this region. And in fact, I have been talking about it for the past week or so, especially this news of the Japan corridor between Japan and Philippines, in which XRP will actually be used. And also we do have to keep in mind that Ripple owns around 40% stake in Tranglo, which is another cross-border payment service focused in Southeast Asia. So investing.com says that, hey, there is a very high chance that we might see an explosive growth for Ripple. Now do keep in mind that even though if there's an explosive growth for Ripple, it means the company, not XRP. But at the end of the day, what Ripple really wants to do is it wants these companies to start using its ODL platform, the on-demand liquidity platform that actually uses XRP. And obviously, if we see a high utilization of XRP, it might mean that the price of XRP will increase as well. But again, having said all of this, I do want to remind you guys that the world of cryptocurrencies, it can be volatile, and especially in the time like this where the news or where the news related to cryptocurrency can be extremely sensitive to the prices for a lot of cryptos out there. And if we see a major downturn with Bitcoin, we can expect a huge downturn for other altcoins with it. And that is why I always tell my subscribers that only invest what you can afford to lose, because the world of cryptocurrency can be very volatile. Now in the next couple of days, I will be making a video about on what exactly the timeline on this entire lawsuit and when we can expect this lawsuit to end, and obviously talking a bit about the price as well, because this is one of those questions that I get asked in almost every single video of mine on when exactly is this lawsuit going to end. Even though I have mentioned very briefly in today's video, but I want to make a detailed video specifically talking about this, so make sure you're subscribed for that. And also guys, do let me know what you think about if you're going to see a settlement or not, or it is going to go all the way through to the trial. I would love to know what are your thoughts in the comment section below. And especially, I get so many loving comments. I want to thank each and every one of my subscribers who comment and obviously send me messages as well. And if you are not following me on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, I will be linking them in the description box below, so make sure you do that. Well guys, that was the video for today. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and giving this video a like so the YouTube algorithm recommends you my videos in the future. And as always, thank you for watching this, and I will see you next time.